Hello everyone. At the G4S company that was managing the Mangaung maximum security prison may again find itself in hot water following fresh allegations that the prison afforded the Facebook rapist and murderer Thabo Bester and his controversial lover Dr. Nandi Pamakutumane conjugal visits. This was after the Department of Correctional Services said it had launched an investigation into the allegation that Bester and Makutumane had been offered an intimate time together. The department spokesperson Singabakho Nxumalo said that conjugal visits were not allowed in South Africa. The department's confirmation came after sources told the Sunday Independent that Bester had been allowed to spend hours with Makutumane inside the prison. Nxumalo said we are aware of the allegations and they are being investigated. Inmates are not afforded conjugal visits in South Africa. Sources inside the prison said the conjugal visit had been permitted because Bester had allegedly bribed prison officials to allow him to spend more time with Makutumane in a private room. The sources said this started when Dr. Nandi Pamakutumane started seeing Bester in jail in 2017. Bester had a lot of money and he would just pay the officials, so they gave him a room to spend time with Makutumane. He would spend hours with her. Another source said those allegations are true. This is something that was happening. His lifestyle in jail was different to everyone else's because he was not even eating our food in prison. Prisoners who were studying were not allowed to charge their laptops in the cell, but he was allowed to do this. Everything will change in a second. When it came to him, he had an extension cord connected to his cell. I believe this is because he had money, or maybe they knew something we don't know. Another inmate said that the alleged preferential treatment afforded to Bester had been reported to the authorities previously, but nothing had been done. According to the media reports, Makutumane and Bester have allegedly known each other since 2006 when she was still studying at Wits University. They lost contact in 2011 after Makutumane was married and Bester was in prison on sexual assault and murder charges. However, Makutumane started visiting Bester around 2017 and the pair rekindled their relationship. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.